Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Marissa Romero and welcome to my channel. Now this video is going to be something very special. I'm going to give you guys some fresh new ideas on the top 4 online business opportunities of 2019 because everybody knows 2019 is coming up and is right around the corner. Right now it is the end of September. So you're going to want to stay tuned for the information I have to share with you. Alright everybody, welcome back to this video. Now my name is Marissa Romero, and if you are new to my channel, what you can expect on this channel is the topic of making money online. And really, if you're interested in building a side income or maybe, generating a full-time income, replacing your 9-to-5 job, whatever it is, this channel is for you. I talk about sales funnels, email marketing, building an online presence, paid and organic traffic. So if that's your jam and you want to learn more, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell because I'm posting very consistently right now and I really give a lot of thought into my videos. And for those of you that are returning to the channel, thank you so much for your support, and I really appreciate you guys and all the comments and everything like that. So in this video, this is going to be a little bit on the businessy side. So I'm talking about the top 4 online business opportunities and ideas of 2019, which I think are, the go-to businesses and ideas that you can get started with and start researching and looking into. But most importantly, what I wanted to say is that all of these businesses are exactly that. They are a business, so they are going to require skills, and the foundational skills really that you need for these businesses is, really marketing and sales. You have to learn both. And yes, I'm not going to lie, I'm not a great salesperson. I'm not going to lie and sit here and say that I've closed, $10,000 on the phone before. I haven't done it. That isn't a super strong skill set of mine, but it is something that I'm definitely going to work towards in my marketing career. However, on the flip side, I consider myself very good at online marketing and the technical things and driving traffic, paid versus organic traffic, and that type of thing. So please consider really learning more about marketing first. And of course, if you have the skill set of sales and if you're wanting to develop it, I would encourage you to keep developing it because those are like the foundational legs of your business, okay? So that is what I wanted to emphasize before we get started on these ideas. So hopefully you guys, by the end of this video, my goal is to inspire you to get started on something and to start research into something that you can start online for next year in 2019. Alright, so let's get started with the first one. So the first one is actually real estate investing, but not in the United States, not the typical way you would think, and that is with a method called geo-arbitrage. So geo-arbitrage means if you live in the United States or Great Britain or somewhere in Europe where the currency is much higher than in other countries, and you go and invest in real estate in a country where the dollar or the euro or the pound is worth way more than in the other country, that is pretty much taking the most advantage of the value of your currency so that you can invest more and afford more in a different country. And this idea actually came to me because right now I am in Medellin, Colombia, and I've been here for 4 or 5 days, but I've actually found somebody here who is Canadian, and he started essentially a real estate business, and it is online now. The legwork required definitely doing stuff on the ground. However, right now his business is online, and he basically has real estate portfolios where people can easily invest into properties and remodeling different buildings, apartments, condos, townhomes, where they are able to generate passive income in real estate if they invest in these properties wisely. And so what makes it a very sexy offer in business is that this gentleman in this business actually has portfolios and ready and the best ideas and and the research done for you, so that way the legwork is already done, like the hard work is already done. Essentially, it's just learning about what investment properties you want to invest in, and then investing your money into that, and then when people rent these condos or kind of like Airbnb and stuff like that, you would get that residual cash flow and that passive income. So that is a business that I had never heard of, and I thought it was brilliant. So if you have a passion for real estate, or maybe you're into real estate right now and are looking to, find a completely different type of business model and take it overseas and find a country where, you can, one, take advantage of geo arbitrage and also build a business that goes with your passion and expertise, I would definitely look into building an online business with real estate in another country. All right, so the second top online business opportunity for next year, I think, is a two-part one, and that's being a freelancer, combining that with selling online courses. So freelancing, you guys, could really, really, really take you a long way. If you have a special skill set, maybe you're a graphic designer or you're a video editor, or you have an expertise in something rare that there's a high demand for that people will need, and it's an evergreen skill, you can easily find different websites and different platforms where people can go on the marketplace and look for you to, hire you to do these skills for them and their company and their brand. So in addition to that, the greatest thing you can do with that is develop a course with your specific skill set. So for example, if people want to actually know how to do video editing, you can create an entire online course on how to do video editing, and you could either make that course a one-time fee of maybe, let's say, $497, or you can make it set it up where, let's say, maybe it's a residual, so people pay you per month to access your information, and maybe you host a private Facebook group and you charge people anywhere from $20 to $50 a month to be a part of your group and to learn these skills. Now, I think that is a dynamite combination with freelancing and coupling it with selling online courses, because that, is able to 10x your income to be able to have someone hire you, and eventually, as you get better and better and people recommend you more and more, you get to charge more for your services. But also on the back end, you have online courses you can sell in addition to your services, so that you can get that residual income. And the best part is that you're doing something you're an expert at, you're passionate about, and so I would highly recommend considering freelancing and selling online courses. The third top business opportunity of 2019 is consulting. So this has kind of two parts. So there's one business model of consulting where you can charge a high ticket price for whatever services it is you offer. So let's say you are a life coach and a relationship coach, and you offer a skill set or a service where you have a very life-changing and transformational offer that you can offer to people, and people will always have this big problem in their lives to solve, and that is where you come in, because at the end of the day, wealth, health and fitness, and relationships and love are always the three main things in our lives, and always the three biggest problems in people's lives. So what this business model looks like is simply this. So what it looks like is you creating an irresistible offer. So maybe like an 8-week program where you develop a foundational course online where people will go through it step by step, because everybody's going to need these parts of the program. So on top of that, you charge a higher ticket price. So that's anywhere from $2,000 $2,000 to $5,000, and that's per person, you guys. But this is a life transformational offer, and the way you can really make a lot of money and residual income every single month is because of the power of group coaching. So you don't coach these people one-on-one, okay? That's not how it works. The way it works is you set up an online course where everybody understands the foundational things that they need to know, and then every week you hop on a coaching call. Maybe it's 2 hours a week, or maybe it's a 90-minute, or however you want to set it up, and you do group coaching. because one-on-one is not scalable and group coaching is scalable. And the next thing you would have to figure out is how to drive traffic to get people to this offer. But really, that's not the most important part, because I've known people with this exact business model that haven't drove any traffic to their offer, and they've gotten several clients that get them to pay. They set it up residually. Actually, the one girl that I know of, she charged clients $1,000 a month, and it was more like a 9-month program, so it was more long-term. So it's up to you on how you want to set up your pricing and your offer for whatever expertise in consulting you want to do. And so I talked about number 3 being consulting, and there's another business model of that, and that is, of course, building a social media marketing agency. And that is not just, learning Facebook ads and running Facebook ads for companies. That could be anything. That could be social media management of posts, content creation. It could be learning Instagram and growing people's Instagrams, which is going to be a high demand, in the foreseeable future, in my opinion, because Facebook and Instagram aren't going anywhere, because of course Facebook owns Instagram. So that is a skill that businesses around the world are going to need forever, okay? So that, it could be any social media platform. Let's say if you are an expert in LinkedIn or Pinterest or YouTube and you know how to run YouTube ads, literally you can get clients and attract and make a sexy and appealing offer for companies and businesses to invest in you to help with their marketing and getting their services and products in front of the right people who are already looking for what they have to offer. All right, and the last and final and my favorite and most highly recommended online business model of all time, is something called affiliate marketing. And so that is what I actually do online. So with online marketing, there's like a bunch of different branches, just like anything else. There's like an engineer, there's mechanical, civil, electrical, chemical, whatever. So affiliate marketing is just one branch of online marketing. And all these other business models are also separate branches of online marketing, including other things I didn't mention like e-commerce and CPA marketing. So anyway, what I mean by affiliate marketing is essentially having a product that is not yours, so you're promoting another business's or company's product, service, or offer, and you receive the commission for selling this product. And so it's really a phenomenal business model, because you don't have to do the fulfillment, you don't have to worry about shipping, none of that, okay? All you have to do is worry about driving traffic. Now, it is a very simple model, however, it does take work. Just like any of these other businesses are going to take work, research, and getting into the nitty-gritty and figuring out what works. However, it is a very fulfilling skill set to have, and it is an asset. Your affiliate marketing business will be an asset you can have your entire life. It is very scalable. It is very low cost. For example, one of the main examples I give of affiliate marketing is simply having maybe a blog or a YouTube channel, and you are promoting Amazon links in your description. So if you have maybe a media channel or a technical channel where you give reviews on cameras, lights, drones, everything technical, lenses, and you have the affiliate links to those products in your Amazon description and people are buying, guys, that is, really it's considered passive income, because you are doing minimal work and you're setting up videos that are basically online real estate and that are going to continue to get views over time and continue to get traffic. The traffic's only going to grow, and therefore your sales are only going to continue. I'm still making money off of videos, off of affiliate products that I was promoting, almost a year and a half ago now. So it's kind of like planting the seeds online, either on a blog post or YouTube channel, and promoting them, giving value and to the marketplace, building an audience. And so that's pretty much the way it works. Now, I love, online marketing, because unlike anything else, any other career, there's no barrier of entry where you need, a certification, you need school. Essentially, you can be anybody and start affiliate marketing. And the income potential is really limitless. I know people who are doing easily anywhere between $100K and $500K per month, and even people that are making beyond that. Those goals seem huge and unfathomable to some people, but those are actually eventually my goals with my affiliate marketing business. So if you guys are learning more about affiliate marketing and how it works and how to set up the foundation of your business, I invite you to check out the first link in my description, where I have additional videos and training and recommendations to programs that I think are some of the best affiliate products to promote, in the first link in the description below. So if you guys are interested in that, I invite you to check out the first link in the description. And that's about all I have for today's video. So I really hope it was informative and you guys got some ideas, maybe a light bulb went off. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, I will see you guys on the next video. Let me know if you have any questions at all in the comments below. I'm Marissa Romero, and I will see you guys later.